Sophia from Origin Yoga and Wellness Retreat Center by the Sea in Taipei, Taiwan. In today's video, I would like you to come on a mindful walk with me by the beach. Mindful walking is something that we practice a lot in our retreat center. It's super important because a lot of times when we are beginner to meditation, it's very hard to sit formally in practice. And that's why we introduced mindful wellness as part of the retreat experience for those who are new to meditation. It's just a little bit more simpler, more intuitive way to practice in a less formal setting. Here today we are at this location right by the center. It's called the Secret Beach. It's actually known, the name is actually from a famous movie filmed by a famous actor in Taiwan. His name is Jay Chou, and the movie is called Untold Secret. So because of that, it's actually a love story. It's a really nice movie if you're interested in watching. But the whole movie, a lot of it is filmed here in this beautiful boardwalk. And so because of that, this area is known as the Secret Beach. I personally also really enjoyed this area because it's lesser, only the locals would come. So it's less busy usually. The beaches are cleaner. It's really just quiet and peaceful. All right, so let's go on this walk together. Before we start, I'd like us just to relax our body a little bit. Okay, so just take a few minutes to shake out any tension in your arms, shake out any tension in your legs. Just get ready, just free movement. There's no right or wrong here. If you need, you can just gently rock your head from side to side, gentle stretches, or swinging your arms. Just loosen up, loosen up. For 3, 2, 1. All right, and when you're ready, the key to mindful walking is just to take nice small steps and go really slow and enjoying the scenery all around you. Every step that we take, feel all the sensation beneath the feet. Feel the effect of gravity, how your body is being supported by the earth. And slowly begin to walk. And it's really important also in mindful walking to walk without a destination in mind. Pick a path that you enjoy, but just go for it without thinking where you're going. Take each step as if it's your very first step. Relax with every step that you take. And just try to enjoy all the natural scenery. Ooh. I think I see a bird in the bushes there, just jumping around. I love the different shades of green. The weather is getting warmer now, so I don't need a jacket anymore. And I can see little flowers starting to blossom. I love the morning sun, so gentle. Feel the warmth of the sun as you walk. Using all of your senses to open up to everything around you. I can hear the birds chirping. I can see a beautiful clear blue sky. Sound of the waves in the distance. Relax the body, walking effortlessly. Breathe in fresh air. I can almost taste the air. It's slightly salty and still very humid here. It's just been raining all last week and it's finally sunny today. Letting go everything in your mind and be truly present here in the moment. I also love to find patterns in nature. I like to observe the shape of the leaves, the shape of flowers. You can also take time just to stop and feel nature. We can observe the branches of the tree, so nice and smooth. Just connecting with nature, something that's alive. Just marvel at the miracle of everything created by nature. Even though we come here on mindful walking often, every day is a different day. Every time is a new experience. The color of the sea is just beautiful today. You can see gentle reflection of the sun. Bright blue and purple. It's low tide right now, so we see a lot of the rocky surface. And also, that's what makes it very interesting. Take your time when you do mindful walking. There is no rush. Hope you are enjoying the secret beach as much as I am today. Practicing mindful walking is super good for you, and it's something I hope you can do a lot of where you are right now. Find a place nearby with a nice even road, somewhere you can walk every day. Just take 15-20 minutes walk. It's great exercise, and also it's a great way to incorporate more mindfulness into our everyday life. Thank you for walking with me. Namaste.